Hello guys, today we will solve this USA Maths Olympiad question. So let's start it. We have 2 power 3 power 4 and 0. Same 2, 3, 0 and 4 and here 2 power 0, 3 and 4. So start from 4 power 0. Okay. And here 0 power 4 and 3 power 4. So first solve the brackets. So write 2 power cube and 4 power 0. We know the rule of math, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So write over here 1. Okay. Then plus sign, then 2 power 3. Another rule, 0 in math, anything 0 raised to power anything is equal to 0. Okay. So write over here 0. Then plus sign, then 2 0 in its place 3 power 4. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. The 3's are 9, 3 3's are 9. 9 and 81. So write over here 81. Okay. Now 2 raised to the 3 power 1. Now solve 3 and 1. 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to 3. 3 raised to the power 0, anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So write over here 1. And 2, 0 again this rule. 0 raised to the power anything will be equal to 0. Now 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. And 2 raised to the power 0, anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now 8 plus 2, we will get 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So our final answer is 11. I hope you have liked my question. If so, then please like this video, subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.